Okay, welcome to today's analysis. Today is Thursday, the 31st of August 2017, and the time is 15:01 here in the UK. You're looking at a EURJPY daily chart. Now, yesterday I shared a potential trade on EURJPY. I entered that trade right here at the... Ooh, actually, no, that entry is a tad low. My entry... Oh, no, it is on the right spot. My bad. So yeah, this is what my trade currently looks like. My entry was the 130.98. Now, originally my entry was meant to be higher. My entry was meant to be up here at the... My entry was meant to be up here, roughly at the 131.04. I believe that was my original entry. But just before I entered, I realized, hey, you know what? I want to make a live trade video for this. And I got up the recording software, I started doing the live trade video, and of course, by the time I actually started recording, it had already moved down a few pips. So my entry is a bit late, a bit later than I planned, but that's fine. Pretty much immediately after entry, this turned around and came all the way up to here. Now, you know, it's a bit annoying, but that happens sometimes, whatever. It's now turned around again and it started moving down. It's made some new lows, so it's looking okay. Looks like it has a fair chance to continue moving down and hit target. So let's just see how it plays out. This is interesting here on EURUSD. It's a weird setup, right? But it's interesting. It's stalling right on top of this resistance area. I'm going to keep a close eye on it. Let's see how this works out. Let's see what happens here. Stalling on this resistance area. But I want to actually see it properly stall. So we're going to have to wait on this one, wait and see how it plays out. All right, AUD nothing much happening here. AUD New Zealand, I don't even know why I have this pair open. Yeah, nothing much here really. I'll close that. AUD USD, what's going on with AUD USD? It's just stuck between support resistance. CAD JPY stuck between support resistance. Euro AUD, it's hitting this support area. Yeah, nothing much happening. EURJPY, it's still stuck in this area. We don't really have good support resistance here simply because it's been a long time since price has been up here. And last time it was up here, it kind of went straight through it. See, like this area here, we don't really have much to go on in terms of support resistance. It seems to just go straight through. There's a little bit of stalling there, but it's just not really enough to place good support resistance in. Based on, even. So yeah, we don't really have much for EURJPY. Euro New Zealand, it's just pushing up. Nothing much. GBP AUD. It's just stuck on this resistance area. There's nothing much we can trade there. GBP New Zealand. Yeah, nothing much we can trade here either. There's really not that much happening. The trades were on Tuesday and Wednesday. Today seems like a pretty quiet day in terms of new trades. New Zealand JPY, bam, nothing. New Zealand USD. Yeah. USD CAD. USDJPY. Alright, so we also got USDJPY short. Looks like it's all happening on the JPY crosses. Righto then, let's wrap this analysis up, guys. GBP JPY, this looks good for a potential short trade. What we need it to do is we need it to pull back up a little bit. I'm looking for a short trade on the daily. Unfortunately, the 12-hour short trade has already triggered. So at this point, it's a bit late to enter based on the 12-hour. But if price pulls back up, we might be able to get a better entry, something like that. Let's just see what happens. I'll keep a close eye on it. EURJPY, well, this is a currently open trade. We're still short on this one. Let's see how it plays out. It is moving down a little bit. It is currently in profit. I'm only really looking for it to move down to around about here, the 129.80 level. So it's not really that far that it has to move. I think there's a pretty good chance of it being able to do that. EURUSD, it's in an overall uptrend and it's stuck on this support area. So let's see how that plays out. But yeah, other than that, guys, I think that pretty much wraps it up for the analysis today. Thanks for watching the analysis. I hope it was useful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button below. Also, for instant notifications when I post analysis or other cool videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Once the setups I share in this analysis trigger, I post live updates as I manage the trade, such as my entry, exit, stop, and when to get out of the trade. For these updates, add me on Facebook or Twitter by clicking the buttons below. I'll see you in the next video.